Hi everyone, today I'm going to be scraping on the English horn blank. So I tied this, I clipped it yesterday, and then I let it dry, and today I'm going to be scraping on it. So when I clip my blanks, I slightly scrape the tip and then clip. So right now I'm just going to scrape the bark off. And this is just very lightly. And I'm going to go ahead and push the wire a little bit down just so I can scrape. So I'm setting the bottom of the windows at about 5 millimeters from the string. And this is a very rough scrape. I'm just basically sanding off the bark. And this can also be done on the first day before you clip the reed. In some reeds I actually do that. I'll lightly sand the bark and then thin out the tip more and then clip and let it rest. So in doing this, I'm still trying to avoid the center spine throughout the whole entire reed. Here I'm going a little bit more into the cane, but again, not digging my knife in. Never digging your knife in. So there's still a lot of bark on this reed. Trying to take off that first layer. Again, just trying to scrape as even as possible from the bottom to the top. Not really going into the tip right now. Trying to avoid the center spine, or actually setting in the center spine slightly. Again, as you can tell, there's still a lot of bark. And here we're getting into, you see the slightly different shading of cane? Like, you know, it's one color here, and then here it's like a whiter color. That whiter color is still part of the bark. It's always important to use light as much as possible to see the different depths of the cane, the different colors as you go deeper into the fibers. Okay, so still scraping. At this point, I'm just trying to even out the scraping, meaning how much bark I've taken off. So when I make reeds, I like to scrape little bits at a time. I never make a reed from start to finish in one sitting. I think that when I have made reeds in one sitting, they're not stable and they'll drastically change. So I like to be patient and make my reeds over several sittings, and I found that that creates a more stable reed. So, okay. So there's still a lot of bark on it, or the under area of the bark. So I'm still trying to even that out. Again, I'm being patient and just sanding the cane off. If I were to get impatient and like push the knife in and just gouge out, chunks of cane, I might get an end result quicker, but I prefer not to do that because I have less control of the consistency. So, patience. So here we're starting to see a well-defined spine. But again, you see the different colors of the cane. So I'm going to take a little break, set this reed aside, and I will make another video continuing working on this reed. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below or message me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.